So earlier you seen Bay like putting all the tops and lids and stuff on there. This is what we were doing because before, I wish I could have got a before, but it was a mess. So we organized this part. The goal is to keep it organized. That's the goal. Hopefully we can. All right, y'all. So me and Kaden are in Walmart or whatever, and we got to get a couple of stuff. So yeah, first thing we got to get is what? A nightlight for Kyler. I don't know if this would be like too bright because it says it's a party light, but I don't know. He had one of these before, so probably just end up getting this. They say pink and blue. We don't want pink and blue.
This one could be cool because it has a remote control.
No, this right here look demonic. Look like skulls, don't it?
No.
Look. Oh, it's little spaceships. All right, so we'll get him this one, and it's only $9, so we'll get him that. Y'all, it's been some time since I recorded in Walmart, which I completely forgot about, but it's currently like 6 something, I think so. Let me see. Yeah, 6. It's currently 6:41, and I was like, let me just go ahead and finish out this video with whatever else we're doing today, because I was almost about to not finish, but we got to get this content because we got to get monetized, okay? So I'm currently cooking right now. The boys and Bae are outside tonight. We are having baked, I guess you could say loaded baked potatoes, some steak, and some candy yams. So I'm about to show y'all. All right, y'all. So this is the steak on the little griddle on the little griddle thingy. Now, I think this one done. But anyway, this is the steak. And then we have the candy yams that's in here. Oh, all the smoke. We got the candy yams. And then the baked potatoes are in the oven. I cooked those first because those take the longest, but I forgot that I was making candy yams, and I forgot that candy yams take candy yams take just as much time to cook as the baked potato do, but it's fine because I got them on keep warm in the oven. So yeah, I'm about to just put these steaks on low because I think they done. I don't want to keep cooking them and then they ain't done. I mean, and they are done and then they get like hard and rubbery. But I'm about to see. All right, y'all, so never mind all the holes in my shirt. Okay, just know that this is a shirt that I like to wear a lot around the house. We all got that one shirt, but I'm gonna show y'all this steak. So I cut a piece, and then this is what it looked like. I don't know if you call this like medium rare, well, I don't know. I'm about to try a piece of it though. I don't like no pink. I know. Comment down below how y'all like y'all steak. Y'all like it to be well done, medium rare? Because I think anything with that pink in it be raw. And if y'all like our meat raw, I don't think that's done. I don't know now. It's a little greasy. I hope I ain't messed this steak up, y'all. Maybe I should have let Bae do this. I don't think I messed it up. I hope I ain't messed it up, but I'm gonna just chill and finish watching this YouTube video that I was watching And then I'll come back once all the food is done. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look or whatever. Got my baked potato with some cheese and some bacon that I cooked. And the steak, my sweet potatoes, candy yams, and my A1 sauce.